Hi, Lynn Malcolm here, with a special mini edition of PsychTalks. As promised, Nerida Lennon is going to take us through the full version of the loving kindness meditation exercise featured in our last episode. So if you haven't heard that episode yet, jump onto it to have a listen. Okay, let's get started. Here's Nerida.
Sitting in a comfortable and balanced posture, alert and upright, yet relaxed in your seat, I invite you just to gently close your eyes, and if that feels comfortable, or you could lower your gaze to the tip of your nose. And just notice that your body is breathing. And see if you can focus your attention where you feel the sensation of your breath is the strongest. And from this place, just allow yourself to settle into the natural rhythm of your breath. So now, with your mind a little more present and attention a little more centered, just allow yourself to move through the contents of your mind to a more spacious awareness. Just letting the contents of your mind flow by like the clouds in the sky. So now, with your awareness a little more clear, I'm going to ask you to mindfully engage your social life. Since our lives are mostly revolving around social interactions and relationships, please invite into your mind's eye the image of someone you're close to and care about. And next to them, invite a neutral acquaintance that you don't know so well. And finally, invite someone you experience as slightly difficult to join them. So, as you imagine these three people before you, just take a moment to notice how you feel about each one of them. Perhaps you feel warmth for the person you care about. You may feel some indifference towards the neutral acquaintance. And did you notice any feelings of aversion towards the difficult person? Just noticing any feelings that might arise. So now, just allowing those feelings to fade away, you might like to consider that, like you, these people simply want to be happy and they desire to be healthy. And if it feels okay for you, you could send good wishes to these people for them to be happy and healthy. So now imagine in return you're receiving gratitude that they're sending back to you for your good wishes. Now, letting these people just fade away from your mind, I invite you to take a step back and reflect on how the way you perceive others varies depending on your relationship. So sometimes this can feel stressful, and sometimes it can feel wonderful. But maybe consider how much easier life could be if you could be aware of this more often, and instead bring more compassion and care into your social interactions with not only those that you care for, but also neutral acquaintances and even difficult people. So now, when you're ready, I just invite you to let go of the practice by slowly returning to feel the sensation of your breath, feeling the contact of your chair, and finally, when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.
Thanks again for joining us on PsychTalks, made possible with support from the Melbourne School of Psychological Sciences. Be sure to subscribe for more episodes wherever you get your podcasts.